Here's what I know about your business without knowing a single thing about your business. The marketing is running, the reputation is real, but the phone should be ringing more than it is, and you know it. That gap has a name. Most operators I talk to do the same thing when they realize something's broken. They try to fix everything at once. They run the Google business page audit, rebuild trust signals, rework the follow-up sequence, rewrite the proposal process at the same time. That's not implementation. That's chaos. And it's why nothing moves. Here's what's actually happening. There are 4 specific places where buyer decisions collapse before your marketing ever gets a chance to work. 4 failure modes. You have one dominant one. The operator trying to fix all 4 fixes none. I built 30 tools that address every specific version of this problem, and I'm giving them away free. People ask me if I'm worried about that. Here's what we learned. The people who download the toolkit don't become competitors. They become clients. Because knowing what to fix and having time to fix it are 2 completely different things. But here's what the toolkit can't tell you on its own. Which folder to open first. You don't need all 30 tools. You need the 6 to 8 that address your failure mode. The ones costing you money, not the ones costing someone else theirs. That's what the diagnostic does. 12 questions, 10 minutes, no call required, completely ungated. 2,400 businesses have gone through it. We've identified over $529 million in profit leaks. The average operator is losing between $130K and $328K a year, not because their marketing is bad, but because they're working on the wrong problem. The diagnostic tells you which problem is yours. 2 ways to move. The 30 tools are free. Go use them. Or if you want to know specifically which version of this problem is yours, take the diagnostic. 12 questions, 10 minutes, instant results. Everything's at marketingperformance.net. Your call, what happens next. marketingperformance.net.